Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the stock of FluiDGM Corporation. And if you look at this stock, though if you consider this particular script via stock price, then you can consider it as a penny stock. But if you look at the stock move, it's nothing but a multi-bagger, because from the low of March 2020, it has already risen 875 odd percent. So if you are able to find out the trend and put your money at a time when everything looks dicey, then you have probably made a multi-bagger return out of this. But now the way that stock has moved has currently reached to its previous resistance levels. So what we are going to do is going to discuss the current trend, the current resistance, and the upcoming probability. So let me just this is a monthly chart. So this is a big trend. This is a big trend, and though it looks very small because this is a monthly chart and I have squeezed the chart, but the kind of data this chart contains is of 9 years. Okay, so this is your trend. Although this is a negative trend, but what happened in this kind of chart patterns, that when the lows are getting lower, or when the charts are making lower lows, so on the upside the volatility does increase. Okay, and that's what you can see here. So this was your previous resistance, and let me just draw one more thing. Yes, so this is your range where the resistance lies, okay, or the target. Now one more thing which you need to understand here is this. Okay, this is what you need to understand here. And so your immediate support will come at around 11.18, below which the stock may falls to 4.66. So understand one thing, that it should not go below 4.66, because below 4.66 the next level will come at around 2.59, and below which the stock may falls into a position where it prices less than $1. Okay, so you need to understand the consequences of the downfall, and you need to understand the support level and where the important support lies. Now, as we know about your support levels and the kind of risk you have to plan for, your first target or your first resistance will come at around $15, 15.35, or you can consider it as a $16. Now understand this, that the stock must sustain above 16, 15.5 or 16, so that we can confirm the trend that there is a genuine breakout. So one thing that we don't know, or probably that might not be anybody's ability to understand, that whether it will make a sharp breakout, that it will never comes down, or it will go up, corrected, and again go back, or it will make a breakout, again falls down, makes a bottom, and again go up. So these are multiple choices or options which you have, but we don't know the exact way which the script is going to go through or play out in the time to come. So let the price settles above 16. Once it happens, your next target or next resistance will come at around 22. Okay, so this 22 is a very important level, because let me tell you, you can find out a double bottom kind of pattern here. Okay, a double top. If you look at this one, so if you look at this highlighted area, this is a double top zone. Okay, and from here the stock went down, again went back up and falls down. That's why this 22.38 is a very important level. If the stock holds above this level, then there is a fair chance that the stock will go up to 47.58 to 51. So this will be your future target or big resistance. One more thing to understand here is this: do not go above 51. Okay, so this was your resistance which the stock has made in the year 2013, but do not go beyond that. Why? Let the price decide. This is still a bear market chart because the stock has fallen from the high of 2013 to the lows of 2020. So a 7 years downfall, though the bounce back is very prominent, very sharp, but we cannot consider it as a rebound unless the stock moves above 22 or 23 odd dollars and sustain above that. Once it happens, we can consider it as a rebound. Once we consider it as a rebound, then there is a fair amount of chance that the stock may retest its previous resistance or previous highs. But let me tell you, these kind of double top patterns or any big pattern from where the stock falls very sharply acts as a resistance. Whether it happens or not, that's a different question. But is there is a probability or possibility? Yes, the probability and the possibility is very high. That's why technical supports and resistance are very important. So how much supply will come and how much demand will come, that we don't know. What we do know that it will act as a resistance. So let the price settle stable and take some time above $52. Once it happens, so check on the daily chart. This is a monthly chart. Check on the daily, or don't go in hourly chart, but at least on the daily chart or weekly chart. If you are in a hurry, so go for the daily chart. Let the price decide whether it want to sustain or not. Okay, one more important a small point, look at this highlighted small highlighted area. Okay, so here the stock had taken 4 months to make a rounded kind of top and falls back. Okay, so the time period the stock can take would be a sustainable amount of time, whether in terms of days, weeks or months. So let's understand that and limit your optimism till 51, 52. Once the stock goes and sustain above 52, then we are going to talk about the new trend. But this is a very sharp bounce back. The sharp bounce back may continue till 51, but there are important support and resistance which you need to follow and follow it in a disciplined manner. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel for this. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.